Hi guys. As you've read from the title, BLOX Fruits indeed has a secret title. This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how to get it. First, go into Roblox and look up Vote. You can write the full name, but this is way simpler. Click on the first result. After going through the loading screen, just go towards the right side of the screen. Stop here and start voting. Now you're gonna have to make sure you choose BLOX Fruits on this part, or else you won't get the title. The title expires on September 9th, so cop it before it goes away for flex. After you vote, immediately log into BLOX Fruits. Then you will get the innovator title automatically. Scroll to title number 43. It seems that a lot of people don't know about this yet, so I hope this helps you out, smiley face. Share the vid to your friends or people you think might not know about it. So like and subscribe if you found this helpful. #road to 1K. Goodbye. Let's see what I can get before I need the video. WTF, L.